Hi everybody, this is CR number 15, helper video number 5. It says simplify 26 minus 2 times 7 plus 3 squared. Now, there are no variables in this, so we have to follow the order of operations. And in this situation, it is Pemdas. Hopefully you guys all remember what Pemdas stands for. The P is parentheses, the E is exponents, the M and D are multiplication and division, and we go in order from left to right. And then the A and the S are addition and subtraction, and once again, we go in order from left to right. So let's get started. First thing is parentheses. So I see some parentheses going on right here. So I have to handle those first. But look what's inside parentheses. I have an addition sign and I have an exponent. So now if I look down my order of operations, it looks like the exponents come first right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this exponent of 3 squared. Remember, if I have 3 squared, the exponent of 2 tells me how many times to multiply the base, which is 3, times itself. So this exponent really means 3 times 3. It never means 3 times 2. The 2 tells you how many times to multiply the 3 times itself. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw an arrow here so you can see where I'm giving that getting that information from. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 7 and the plus sign, bring down the parentheses still, and then the 26, and then the minus 2. Okay. So now my order of operations still tells me to do parentheses because now I've simplified inside the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and do this addition first because that is parentheses. Let me change colors. 7 plus 9 is 16, so I go ahead and write down that 16. Bring down the 26 and the minus 2. So parentheses are done. Exponents have been done because they were inside the parentheses. Now I'm going to do multiplication or division, moving left to right. So as I move left to right, notice I have a subtraction going on, but then I have something going on here between the -2 and the 16. Because there is nothing between these two numbers but parentheses, that means multiplication. So I have a -2 times a positive 16. A negative times a positive is a negative. 2 times 16 is 32. And then I just bring down my 26. So I am done with multiplication and division. Now I do addition and subtraction, and all I have is subtraction. So I have 26 positives, 32 negatives. I have more negatives than positives. And how many more negatives do I have than positives? Well, I just subtract. 32 minus 26 is 6. So my final answer is -6 with simplifying. There you go. Good luck.